Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the only way mission is active. You must have Chapter 2 completed and mission markers visible. Once done, switch to a speed-focused goat. Speed boosts and stamina let you cover zones quickly, while headbutt helps clear obstacles. Move directly to the district marker on your minimap. Many wanted people spawn only in specific areas or times. While you approach, scan rooftops and alleys with the camera. This reduces wasted searching and sets you up for the next phase. Now you perform a systematic sweep. Split the district into 4 clear zones and search each one in order so you do not miss a spawn. Engage with background NPCs and break interactive objects. Some wanted people trigger when you disturb their cover. Keep an eye on unusual outfits or small floating icons. These visual cues often indicate a target. If you spot clusters, pause and circle slowly. That prevents respawns from resetting your progress and helps you identify patterns for faster captures. You close by isolating the wanted person. Corral them against a wall, use disorienting moves, then grab or headbutt to subdue and complete the capture. After you have them, return to the mission marker to register the capture. Make a quick save before attempting risky stunts. If a target does not spawn, reload the area or fast travel away and back, or change the in-game time of day and retry. This usually fixes spawn issues. Remember, persistence and methodical checks beat random searching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.